Hello viewers, welcome to Queen Mensa's fashion channel. So today I'm going to share with you this beautiful wear you are seeing right now. This is Bottega Veneta brand and it has no logo on it. It is very comfortable in wearing, outstanding craftsmanship, internal label and very luxury feeling, and this helps to expose the Bottega Veneta brand identity uniquely. Guys, you can see for yourself, this is very beautiful. The leathers are nice and this is very comfortable in wearing casually. Okay, so thank you so much for watching. Please do like and share with friends and family. Catch you in my next one. Bye bye. Please keep watching.